Hi guys! So ngayon, 24 na ng gabi and bago mag 12 AM kasi inaantok na kaming lahat. May bigyan ako ng regalo sa mga kasama natin sa bahay. And ang kasama ko lang pala dito ay si Mahal. Ayan. Tapos si Caleb guys, nasa baba. Si Mark, si Yaya, si Jeniel. So yun, kami lang yung tao sa base guys. So ayan, ready na mga paregalo ni ng Carla. Ayan pa. Dami nating inaanak guys. Ito yung kala Jeniel tsaka kala Mark. Ayan. Let's go! Okay. I have something for you. Okay. Come on, come on. Sabi niya, okay, okay. Dami kong gift sa kanya, guys. Kasi yung birthday gift ko sa kanya, ngayon ko na lang ibibigay. Kasi hindi ko nabigay nung mismong araw ng birthday niya. Kasi ang dami namin ginawa nun. And ang dami niyang gift, guys. Na-receive sa Brusco family, sa mga ninong-ninang niya. Ayan, yung gift ni Meme nung birthday niya. Thank you, Brusco fam! Wow! Meme, something for you! It's my Christmas gift for Meme. Come on, come on.
Wow!
Do you want to open this? Oh, come on, let's open it here.
Go, go, go!
Come on, come on. No, use it down here. Okay.
Okay! Oh, may sumagad.
Be careful.
Be careful.
So, ngayon ko nagbibigay guys. Kasi mamaya tulog na to. Antok na to eh. I open this first.
What's that, meh?
Hingit na rin ano niya no.
Yeah, tawagin si Gami.
Oh, come on, you open it. Like this.
What's inside?
What's inside? I don't know.
You check what's inside.
Sino ba yan?
There's a letter here. Meme, Mommy loves you very much. Merry Christmas.
Wow.
What's that?
My favorite.
Your favorite what?
Good.
Wow. What's that? Is that Blippi?
Movie.
A Bluey.
You like that?
Wow.
This one, this one.
Okay.
Open it. You open it, you open it.
I love you, my baby.
Open it like that.
Okay.
You can do it. Go, go, go.
Oh, another good.
Oh, another
What's
clothes.
that?
I get movie.
Again,
Bluey.
Bluey again. Yeah.
Wow.
This one. Caleb, you will like this. There's a letter again. My Meme, Mommy loves you very much. Always?
Always.
And
Always and?
Always.
forever.
Yeah, you open it.
You're so sweet.
Help.
Love you so much.
Yung tatay, ang daming side comment eh.
What's it?
Wow, it's not a toy.
Wow.
Wow.
What's that? Is that tomato?
What's that? Oh, you open it. What's inside?
What's that, meh?
May wrapper pa.
Wow! What will you say to mommy? Hi! God bless you. Oh! Oh! Lightning! That's a lightning McQueen! Wow!
Do you want to wear it? Wow. Oh, you try it. It's nice.
Wow! Forma, lightning McQueen. Are you happy?
What will you say to mommy? Thank you po. You're welcome po. Try lang natin sa kanya, guys. Grabe, laki ng paa nito. Oh.
6-footer yan si Meme.
Yung paa niya, guys, hindi na pang toddler talaga. Wow!
Wow.
Again, again.
Another one. Are you happy? Oh, nililis niya rin, no?
Kaya nga eh. Good job, eh. Mommy loves you very much. These are my Christmas gifts.
Dati ako binibili ni Commander kahit ano, no?
And puro kay Caleb na, guys.
Ganun talaga pag may anak na.
Oh. Ang mga mami kasi mga selfless yan. Oh, you walk, you walk. You show it to daddy.
Wow! Wow! Wow!
Ano yung sa ilaw?
Aba, di ko alam.
Hindi na naka-open.
Open mo.
Let's open the other
Eh, nailaw na. Nailaw ba? Ayun, oh.
Come on, you step.
Wow!
Nice.
You're so cute! You're so poggy!
Merry Christmas, Meme.
Hug mommy, hug mommy!
Merry Christmas. I love you.
Again.
Again what?
Again.
I already gave my gift to you. Oh, this one is from Ate Joanne.
Oh! Say thank you, Ate Joanne!
This is for Meme. It's a Crocs.
Oh. You
Your
open it.
sleeper.
You open it.
Thank you, Ate Joanne.
May, what will you say?
What will you say to Ate Joanne?
Get almost.
That's G-Bits, me. You will put them here. You put them here.
May, what will you say to Ate Joanne?
The feet. It's a treat.
What will you say to Ate Joanne?
Thank you.
Thank you, Ate Joanne.
She said, you're welcome!
Like that? Oh. I will help you.
And duck. Duck. Quack, quack.
Tomorrow you will wear this or this one.
This one. Right there.
Later.
Later.
Man, come on. You will give this to Tito Mark and Mimi, okay? Where are they now?
Here.
You call them Mimi?
Okay, I go up to here.
Yeah, okay. Tito Mark,
Ano?
napakita ni Caleb yung shoes niya.
Mimi?
Wow!
Come here!
Gami!
Nasigaw na.
May, come here!
Pass!
May, run! Wow!
Wow! Okay, give it to Tito Mark. Come on. Give it to Tito Mark.
Give it to Tito Mark. Tito Mark.
You have shoes!
Wow! For Mimi.
Wow, thank you,
Wow! Hug! Welcome! Oh, hug your titos! Hug! Wow! Up.
Ay, that's first. Merry Christmas!
You're so fun! Merry Christmas, man!
Say Merry Christmas!
Ay, that's first. 10.
Hey!
Wow!
Oh, look!
You have Paquin shoes! Can I borrow that?
Oh.
Oh!
Oh no!
Fit to me.
It fit only to you? Like this way, rabbit!
You jump.
Like
Can you
rabbit!
jump? Can you jump? Oh!
Wow! You're a rabbit! Oh, it's a frog!
You're a frog now.
Basong sa ulo mo, ah.
Stand up, May! Thank you, May! Thank you!
May kwento kasi yan. Nagpasama kasi ako kay Daniel tsaka kay Mark mag-SM.
Oh.
Tapos nagkabibili ako. Okay na kaya sa inyo?
Oh, come on nga daw. Ayaw niyo pumasok eh.
Okay na kaya sa inyo kapag yung regalo ko ba ako?
Oh, my teeth.
Sabi niya, okay lang.
Yung pala!
Sa kanya ko pinapo yung, ano kaya magandang panlalaki
At mo, binigay din yung hindi naman no. No, me.
That's for daddy. Give it to daddy.
Wow!
Wow, thank you.
Ito,
Ah, ano sa'yo, Gami?
ay, ito yung pinili ko eh.
Oh, ayan yung gusto niya kasi mild lang daw.
Ito. Hoy, bango! Desire.
Hindi matapang
Okay,
ayaw ni Jella lang matapang.
Open it.
What?
Open it.
Ikaw daw.
Oh, ano ba to?
Sa'yo. Ah.
Oh, thank you, Mami! Oh, open, Meme. You open.
You open it, me.
You open. Oh, why? Oh. Where's it? Wow!
It's a perfume. Meron pa.
Inside.
Meron pa.
You open it too.
Open it.
Ah.
Whoa!
Meme, give it to daddy.
Give it to me. Thank you. Kisadi.
Wow. Daming gift niya, no? Puro bluey.
Sabi, alam niyo na nga eh.
Yung my favorite.
You open it.
Wow, what's that?
Wow, what's that?
Wow, essential! Wow, Marwan! Ang mga yun! Angas!
Nakakainis nga to kasi pinabalot ko to. Biglang pumasok.
Ano nakita niya?
Oo. Yung gumayakap ka sa akin dyan.
Kaya ka pala
Oo.
Kasi hindi ko alam na akin. Thank you, man.
Welcome.
Love you.
Love you.
Wow!
Ngayon, ano ito? Ha ha. Ha ha.
Oh no!
So funny!
Ayan, nagbablog siya. Vlogging the gifts daw.
Show
Hey!
it to them, show it to them. You have so many gifts.
Show to them, show to them.
Show it to them.
Show
You have
them.
so many gifts.
Wow.
And then your shoes.
Oh, oh. Oh, oh.
And then your McQueen shoes.
Oh.
Okay.
Take a video, take a video. Oh, oh. Oh, oh.
Oh, baligtad.
You.
Look daw,
Oh,
look.
look, you open it.
Oh, oh. Pinapakita yung mga gifts niyo. Vlogger na rin to. Oh. What's up mga kabotchog? Oh.
Cute eh.
Oh, show to them. Where's your video?
Where's your video now? Show it to the video.
The video.
Sabi natin. Hawakan ko daw, oh.
Oh. Oo nga, no?
Wow!
1, 2.
1,
Oh.
2.
Yeah.
Good job, Meme. Oh, you put it back.
Okay.
I'll put it back. Oh, you show it to Daddy.
Bibidyoan niya ako.
Oh, ayan o.
Wow!
Wow, Meme.
Love you.
Wow.
You open it.
What?
With that, with up.
No, I can't open it.
Mom, Dad, you open it.
Oh. You hide?
What are you doing?
I guess.
Ano yan?
Kay Yaya?
Ah.
Thank you po.
Ah, buksan mo na ya. No?
Merry
What
Christmas.
is it to you?
Oh no, she will sleep na, Meme.
I want to see my gift.
Ah.
Oh, you show ate your gifts. You show ate your new shoes.
Wow.
Go, go.
Ano? Pabango?
Oh,
You know.
pabaho daw.
Pabango sabi ni Meme. Oo, papakita sa'yo.
Wow. Is that for you? Let me see.
Open.
it, Me.
Open me. Pinapakita niya talaga, oh.
Wow.
Oh, show the lights.
Lightning
Yung
McQueen. Oh, I can move it.
Tomorrow,
Ah,
you will
ah.
wear that.
I want to move it.
Oh no.
Cute.
Wow! Show ate.
Wow. So cute. Ciao.
Later.
Me.
Later.
I love you so much. Me.
Who's that?
Oh, ano yung mahal?
Tatlo nga po yung gift ko sa'yo.
Wow! Aray!
Oh.
Ano yan?
Akin na, bibidyoan kita.
iPhone yan. Ayan, Pinoy 5 ko.
Bilis. Yes?
Pero kasi...
Sige, oh.
Open that.
You open? Oh,
You open it.
Wow!
Ano ba to? iPhone.
iPhone 16 yan.
Opo!
Hindi ko kailangan ng iPhone. May iPhone 15 ako. Ano to? Baka ikaw na magpo-propose sa akin.
Bilis na! Ito ko po sa'yo.
That me.
Tapos may kwento pa yan.
Hoy!
Oh.
Wow!
Ito, pabango?
Joe Malo! Ayan!
Quick, quick, quick!
May kwento pa yan yan. Di ba
Ay.
galing ako mall na.
Wow! Pabango.
May paper bag yan ng Joe Malone.
Mm.
Si Caleb, pagdating ko lang ng paper bag, sinira pag
Ah, uminas.
na.
Ah, hindi nga.
Oh! Pero mo ganyan siya kasi.
Ako binabalot mo dito?
Oh, pagtingin ko, dapat ko siya mabalot, parang paper bag.
Pulit-pulit.
Nakapulit na.
I love you.
Joe Malone. Handa.
Ay, put it back na. Put it back here. Puro pa ba ako kasi mabaho siya.
Grabe guys.
Merry
I
Christmas!
go inside. I go inside.
Nanay Kim!
I go
Ayun
inside.
na, gusto pumunta dyan.
I want to go
Oh no! We will go there tomorrow. Merry Christmas! Uy, bigyan ako ng ikaw ni nanay. Oh. Thank you. Thank you, Nay, sa ikaw.
Thank you, Chanel.
Wala mo tayo pang Chanel. Welcome, Nay. Merry Christmas. Kasya ba, Nay? Lukat niyo? Oo na. Nagka-size kami ng paa ni nanay. Sabi ko na size na yun eh. Oo.
Baby?
Baby love!
Baby game! Baby game!
Tahimik siyang siya. Tinan mo.
Oh, baby ako.
Nagsalat lang siya. Yung tipo kahit pampatin siya rito, wala siyang
Kaya-
pakain.
Sino ba kamukha, Kin?
Kabay ka lang nanay.
Hindi. Pinabola ka lang ni Kin.
Di ako naniniwala.
Masyadong pogi.
Di ako naniniwala. Kamukha ni kay Loka.
Bakit niya yung mata?
Mata lang.
Patingin ka.
Tingin nga, baby.
Ah, pogi. Tingin nga ng mata. Hindi talaga eh.
Me? Ay, me.
Pogi ni Baby Luke,
Dinosaur ni Baby Luke, ni Baby Caleb. Oh, kumakain ng car.
Meme, who gave the other dinosaur? Tita Kin. Matalis na ni Tita Kin.
Dance ikaw, dance.
Thank you.
Sayaw ikaw, sayaw.
Ngayong Pasko, wala akong
Uy, magkano pumasko ni Baby Luke?
Ay, wag na, baka mapanood ng mga ano, sabihin eh. Kailangan gusto yung Pasko ni
Hindi ba?
Thank you nga pala sa mga ninong ni Baby Luke na nagpadala ng Gcash kahit nasa lugar sila.
Yun.
Parang wala naman di kasi baby look.
Ay, oo nga, ano? Saan kaya mapupunta?
Sa nanay. Ayan o.
Starbucks, guys.
May ganyan pa yan. Oo nga. Ganda. Thank you, Pedro. Okay. Ayan, ayan. Pakita mo yung sa'yo, Nay. Mine. Sapatos. Pakita mo yung sa'yo.
Pareho kami ni Mama.
Oo. Magkaibang kulay.
Ganda siya. Ang New Year. Ayaw na magpapasok po siya. Nahirapan na. Ganda.
Oh. Black yung kay nanay, tapos yung kay Mama Brown.
Sukat na sukat eh, no? Haba.
Oo, magka-size kami, nanay. Yung sa'yo, ma? Oh, 5. Size 5 ka,
Ayaw,
diba?
5 pala.
Hindi mo alam yung paa mo.
Parang maluwag kasi.
Maluwag pa yun, ah.
Lagay kasi yung
Maluwag pa rin yung 5. 5 nga yun, eh.
Ang payat kasi ng paa ko.
Ano, pang kids yung paa mo?
Malaki pa. Dami na yung sapatos. Kung galing kay Caleb.
Ito, yung kay Ala, yung kay Ala. Yung sa'yo.
Sana yung sa'yo. Ganda.
Gusto mo na.
Ay, yung buksa. Sinisira yan.
Dapat sirain para makatanggap
Ay,
ulit.
para meron pa ulit kasi ni Jan. Dali sa
Thank you po kay Arnie.
Wow, Lego.
Lego. O yan, o.
Thank you, Ryan.
Welcome. O yan, ang ganda.
Thank you ka na.
Kasi kaya kay Aya yun, te? Ayun, o. Pang 10 yan, eh. O, diba? Gusto mo Kuromi? O, isa. Di ba gusto niya Kuromi? O.
Ba't na yung shoes? Ba't na yung shoes? Ayun sa akin ka ba? Sirain mo na. Ayaw pang buksan ko. Ayaw mo pang kapit. Kay Tops yan. Wow, ganda ng box yun. Kay Tops yan. Wow, cool. Sabi na naman yan, toys. Wow. Akin yan. Wow. Oh. Teka. Wow. Ay, mami, tayo dito sa'yo.
Yung sa akin, nasan? Yung sa akin, wala?
Uy, bakit yung kanya wala?
Delay. Wala na, iwan. Ano ba yan? Iniwan niya yung regalo ko. Ito na lang, para sa anak ko. Binato lang eh. Bubukas na sa kanya. Thank you po, sabay ba to? Thank you. You can do it. That's from Nanay Doris and that's from Nanay Kim. And Ate Ma. Na-open niya yung ibang gifts niya. Ayun, no?
What's inside?
You open it.
What's inside?
You open it.
What's inside? Inside this. What's inside?
Daddy will help you.
Wow! Wow, what's that?
Wow! It's it's Spider-Man. It's Spider-Man. Thank you, Nanay Kim. Thank you, Nanay Doris. Yan, mga yan.
It's from
Ninong Jig.
Ninong Jig.
May stapler yan, Mal.
Right?
Stapler.
Ano.
Wow! It's Tom.
Tom and Jerry.
It's nice.
Jerry. Wow, ang ganda nito.
Kaya nga, thank you, Ninong Jig.
Ninong Jig. Tom.
It's nice.
Jig. Tom and Jig daw.
Tom and Jig?
Jerry.
Yeah.
What did you say to Ninong Jig?
Thank you. That's from Tito Mark.
Tito Mark. Wow!
May stapler na tusok siya, Mal.
Sorry. Kaya nga, ako nang bubukas.
Wow!
What's that?
It's tools.
Side.
Thank you, Tito Mark.
Okay, wait, I will open. Ay, may ano to? Later, we will open, okay? It's a Lego.
Kay Mark din yan galing.
Ito kay Mark and Trisha, no?
Oo. Thank you, Tito Mark and Tita Trisha. Ay, Ninong Mark din pala yun.
Oh, Ninong Mark.
You have so many gifts. Oh, itsura niya, pawisan na kasi kakalaro. Pakakulit. Are you happy?
Yes.
Thank you, Ninong and Ninang.
Ninong, oh, not Ninang. Oh, Ninong.
Ninon.
Ninong.
Ninong what? How about Ninong Choco?
Tito Mark.
How about Ninong Choco?
Tito. Ninong. What?
Do you love Ninong Choco?
Yes.
Ba, yes daw oh.
Look, the gift. Oh, day. The gift day.
That's for Kuya Jarins.
Yes. Who gave it?
Ninong Jig.
Yig.
Ito no. Oh, Neo.
It's
Wow.
tools.
Wow, what's that?
A small excavator.
Hindi, excavator to.
Ano yan? Parang
Parang
crane. Parang
Wow.
crane. Wow, it's nice. It's
ito.
tools.
Tito Mark din to. And Ninang Trisha. Ah! May!
Wow!
A dinosaur bubbles! Haha! O talaga pag bata kapag gift no? Yung mga toys or damit. Ako kasi pera tuloy na ibibigay ko.
Yan. I'll sing.
Ay, kanina naman.
Kay Nanay Nettie.
Ay, ito, Nanay Nettie!
Thank you, Tito Mark and Tita Trisha.
Ano sinasabi ni nanay nung nilabhan na niya?
Please open that. Open that. Please open that.
Wait. What will you say to Nanny Nettie? Wow! Ah! Ne, look! Oh.
Wow, it's nice! It's a blanket!
You hide! Hide. Wait.
Where's Meme?
What did you say?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Thank you!
Ano pa, mahal?
Ayun!
Open
Ayun, kay Gary.
Ako dyan.
Kay Gary yan, yung
Eto.
red, oh.
it.
Open it! Ay, mga ano kasi ito eh. Oh. Open. Ito kay Tinong Gary.
Naku, mawawala lang yan lahat.
Kaya nga.
Activated. It's activated. Activated toy.
Wow!
Wow, what's that, man? Look!
Ano tawag dyan?
Parang ano?
Ang manibela.
Libela, oh. Ne!
You will drive!
Drive!
Thank you!
What do you say?
Ninong Gary.
Okay. Ito na last.
Yan. Galing kay Mimi.
Wow! Ah! Me! Open it!
Open it, Meme! That's from Mimi!
What's inside?
Asi yan ang bigay niyan?
Oh, yan.
Oh. Wow, what's inside? This. Open it. Wow!
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 Another excavator!
Excavator!
Wow! What will you say to Mimi?
Hey, what will you say to Mimi? Hey!
It's so big!
Wow! Oh. You want to open?
Thank you, Mimi!
Wow! Roar! Roar!
Enough.
Wala na?
What do you say to Mimi? Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you, Ninongs and Ninangs. Meron pa daw mga habol eh. Wala pa dito eh.
Yung iba nagsenda ng Gcash.
Oh, yung iba, Gcash yung sinend. Thank you so much sa mga nakaalala po kay Caleb. You like Nanay Doris' gift? What will you say to Nanay Doris? What will you say to Nanay Doris?
Activate one picture.
Yeah.
No.
Me, it's from Fujiko. You open this. You're welcome. Help.
I'll help you. Okay, kiss daddy first. Wow, may tulog pa.
Kay Fujiko ko lang nag-thank you ah.
Look. Look.
Wow, what's that?
What's that, me?
A tiger.
Okay, I will
What's
open it.
that?
Adios.
Thank you, Fujiko.
Adios.
Meo.
Oh! Hindi naman train yun eh.
Wow, there's a dinosaur there. Meo, look. Wait.
Ayan na.
Wait.
Binaba na yung ano, manibela.
It's raining.
Wait.
It's that. That's Mac.
Wow, there's a dinosaur inside.
Hello.
Wow, what will you say to Fujiko? Meme,
Dinosaur.
Dinosaur.
thank you.
Oh, eto. Wala nakalagay kung kanino to.
Ayaw isa kay
Wala.
Raven.
Etong isa, yung Ninang Abby and Ninong Axel and
Aking nanay galing yung walang pangalan.
Aking nanay.
Ah.
Oh. Me. Wow. What will you say?
Baka punitin, ma.
Thank you.
Thank you. Ninang Abby. That's from nanay.
Isa ata yung nanay.
Ayaw, yung walang pangalan. Kanina yung galing. Kay Eman.
Hindi.
Kanina.
Wala ko bigay niya yung
Hindi ko na alam.
Ito kay nanay. What will say?
Thank you!
Wala sa pakilang pag pera, di ba? Kaya pag ano nga, dapat.
Laruan.
Ako din
Tama
next
siya,
time.
enjoy na enjoy, oh.
Ako din next time, pera.
Laruan.
Laruan na bibigay ko pag mga bata. Pag mga isip bata, pera.
Ito yung gift ni Caleb kay Fuji ko. Exchange gift pala to.
Change gift.
Hi, tara! Knock, knock! This is my gift for... Ay, Fuji ko! It's from Caleb! Get it, Fuji ko, go! Go, go! Hindi siya nahihiyak. Get it! Wow! Thank you! Thank you, Nina! Merry Christmas, Fuji ko! My future daughter-in-law!
Thank you. Ingat kayo.
So ito guys, kipunta sa akin daddy.
You know? Wow! Wow!